these aphorisms are called Yoga Darshana. They make Yoga Darshana. Yoga Darshana. Darshana words comes from its root Drishyate Annena, through which you can see. As you see your face in the mirror, through this darshana, through this classical text, you can see the self. That's what darshana means. It is called sutra. Sutra means string. That string which binds many beads is called sutra. It is the very basis of Eastern psychology. You see, psychology. Why it is the basis of very Eastern psychology? Because Patanjali directly deals with mind and its modifications first, and then tries to deal with other aspects of life. Modern psychology is not a finished product. Comes out with certain conclusions today, and tomorrow those conclusions are discarded. While yoga psychology is a finished product. Psychology deals with the mental life, conscious and unconscious both. That which is in the unconscious, with the help of analysis, it is brought into the conscious and dealt with. Psychology deals with the behavior. But yoga science goes to the very core of the soul, from where springs mind and its modifications. Unless you know your own Swarupa, your own real self, you cannot have perfect control over your mind and modifications. Not possible. Why should you do it? How are you able to do it? Because you do not know any other power. So unless you make the soul, individual soul as very basis, you cannot have control over mind. Modern psychology and the branch of psychology that is accepted part of science is called behaviorism. You know from where this behaviorism comes? Gita speaks about it, because Gita is yoga. Every chapter ends with the yoga. It's not a religious book. Hindus are custodians of that book, that's why other religions do not study that. As I tell you, some fanatics who are not Christians, they don't study Bible, though it's the finest book in English literature. There is no book that can be compared with Bible as far as literature is concerned. The best book of English literature is the Bible. And those who have not studied Bible, they are very unfortunate. They cannot expect anything from English literature, no matter how many times they read Shakespeare, Keats, Shelley, Bryan, and other poets and writers. It's amazing to know that the bulk of literature which these Brahmins stored cannot be studied for 100 lifetimes if you live 100 years in every life. There's so much literature. But there are only 6 darsanas, 6 systems, 6 streams of philosophy, thought. And Yoga Darshana is one of the most ancient darshana.